Okay, fixed income topic number 8, bond duration. So what is bond duration? It is effectively, if we were talking about a zero coupon bond, the duration and the number of years to maturity would be exactly the same. So when we have a vanilla bond with a coupon, what we're doing is calculating the duration, which is equivalent to the years to maturity on a zero coupon bond. So as an equivalent zero coupon bond would be a zero coupon with so the sensitivity of the market price, the percentage change per percentage change in yield, would be equivalent to a zero coupon bond. In this case, if it's a 10-year vanilla bond with a coupon of 0.25%, having done the calculation, I can say that the zero coupon equivalent sensitivity is 9.9388 years. So the duration is telling us the sensitivity of the change in price relative to the change in yield. And this is given in a sort of a number of years figure equivalent to a zero coupon bond. All right, so let's look at the formula. So the bond duration is equal to the market value if the yield decreases, and if the yield decreases, the price rises. So this will be the higher price, less the market value if the yield increases. If the yield increases, the price will go down. So this will be the lower value here, and that we divide by 2 times the initial bond market price multiplied by the change in the yield which we measure, and this will be the main variable input. In fact, in the question, I'm going to be using I'm going to be using 25 basis points, which is I'm going to be using 25 basis points change up or down, because we're at such a low yield that I didn't want to use 1%. I wanted to use a much smaller fraction. Okay, so this is going to be 25 basis points for this calculation. The example I've got here is I'm going to use the 10-year bond. The coupon is 25 cents per year on $100 face value, and the yield is 0.365%, around 37 basis points. So the first thing we can see, if you imagine I didn't write this answer in yet, is that the yield is still higher than the coupon, and for that reason we should expect the bond to be trading at a discount rather than a premium. I'm just going to confirm that. So let's calculate the market price today. So if the coupon is 25 cents per year, the final maturity value is going to be $100. The interest rate, well, it's the current yield, is 0.365%, and the number of years to maturity is a 10-year bond. Okay, calculate the current value in the market. So it should be $98.87. So this is correct. All right, so here's the question. Measure the sensitivity or the duration to a 25 basis point change in yields. So here I've put an increase of 25 basis points and a decrease of 25 basis points. So as we can see, 0.365 plus 25 basis points is 0.615, and 0.365 less 0.25 is 0.115% yield. So the first one, using the original inputs, I can keep the original inputs and I can simply change the yield, which is now 0.615. If I input that and recalculate the present value in the market, and it's $96.47, so this would be correct. Also, this gives us a sensitivity to the a rising yield will give us a falling price of $2.40. On the other hand, if the yields fall, I'll just input here 0.115i and then recalculate the present value. So the present value is $101.34, which means that the price will appreciate by $2.47 in this case. So I can already see a price sensitivity here around between $2.40 and $2.50 for a 25 basis point move, which is quite strong. It's about 2.5% change in price. Okay, so the duration is going to be, we're going to use this formula here. It's just going to be the new price if the yield goes down, so the depreciated price, $101.34, less the depreciated price, $96.47. We're going to divide this by 2 times the original price, $98.87, multiplied by the change in yield which we are measuring, which is 25 basis points. So as we come down, the difference is $4.87. We're going to divide that by 2 times the original price, multiplied by a rate of 0.0025, 25 basis points. And that is equal to $4.87 over 0.49. And dividing by a fraction gives us an augmented value. And we can see here that the equivalent zero coupon maturity would be 9 years, 9.9388 years. So that's the zero coupon bond, which has the equivalent duration to the 10-year bond with these characteristics.